social media family, Earth Angels, I need you to listen to me. I'm making a vital point here. Alright, so watch this video as I find more information I want to share with you down here. Turn to their work, but we have a lot of issues going on. I know we have the protests and the white on black police killings. I do know that. And that is really, really important to me. But what should be more important to you is protecting your family. And these radio-controlled frequency airstrikes that are poisoning our cell phone towers and killing the entire families in communities. Alright, so let me pause that right there. We are losing. Yeah, no, a little bit more. 10,000 people per week to this type of death. And a lot of people are calling it coronavirus. Right, okay. So it's radiation poisoning. Right, so watch this. This is out in the sea now.
Bonnie Glaser, director of the China Power Project at the Center for Strategic and International Studies, believes that the presence of U.S. in the water body is signal China that do not miscalculate. Chinese media was rife with speculations that because of the coronavirus, U.S. military preparation was low. The patrol mission also brings good news for the United States Navy, which had been hit hard by the coronavirus.
Hit hard,
in
out
March,
in the sea.
The USS Theodore Roosevelt
Look at that big tower right there.
With a rapidly escalating number of sailors testing positive for the virus. Over time, more than 1,000 were infected with COVID-19, setting off a lengthy and systematic process to move about 4,000 sailors ashore for quarantine and treatment.
To move them ashore. See that big tower? That's how they send in the radio-controlled frequency airstrikes and making the sailors sick.
National Defense Strategy cites China as a top security concern, and Pentagon leaders have been working to shift more resources and military assets to the region to battle Beijing's growing economic influence and military might. Experts at U.S. Defense News believe that the arrival of U.S.
So I made my point there. The problem is that nobody is talking about the symptoms of overexposure to biochemical, invisible, airborne radiation poisoning that comes from radio-controlled frequency airstrikes on our live-wired cell phone towers, ionizing acute radiation poisoning. We're talking about 5G virus. 400 rads kills 50% of all humans, mainly our seniors. A full-body burst of 1,000 rads kills thousands of people instantly. These cell phones have the ability to strike you like a bolt of lightning. If you have not seen the video, 5G Death Beamz, I invite you to check it out, okay? And I'm having trouble getting to it. 5G Death Beamz. Watch this video right here. And it is the technology.
Resonant earth waves, which aren't exactly going to kill you because they're around us all the time.
Now,
so
just got past the part.
Violet, and this is where it starts getting dangerous. Here's the danger zone here. As soon as it goes above this,
oh, I'm sorry about that.
The wavelength is so small that it can start interfering.
Interfering.
If you put it against your skin, it would burn you. But if you put something that just transmits at milliwatts, but the same electromagnetic radiation, you're not going to even feel it pressed against, other than just the fact you're jabbing yourself with an LED. So that's to put things into perspective. Just because it says microwave doesn't mean it's actually cooking food or your brain. Quite the opposite. Let's go further up here. In fact, you could say that the microwave oven operates at thousands of watts. If you have the green, a source of green out the visible spectrum, like a laser rated 1,000 watts, it's going to do quite a lot of damage to you as well. So it's all about power. And in the case of the phones, the power is very, very low. So the frequency goes up, it goes through thermal infrared, it goes through the infrared that can be used for CCTV, night vision, remote controls, the near infrared, which is starting to glow as red. It goes through the visible spectrum, starting deep red going through orangey red to yellow to green to turquoisey and then blue, and then it goes into the violet, and this is where it starts getting dangerous. Here's the
This is
danger
what I'm
zone
talking
here.
about.
As soon as it goes above this point, the wavelength is so small that it can start interfering with molecular structures and things like that, and it can start interfering with the cells, it can start interfering to a degree with the DNA. And this is the point that you get the UVC light that is used as a germicidal